To manage a live session as a facilitator, head to Program Delivery and then select the relevant course. From the Deliver tab, head to the Calendar, where you'll find each of the sessions in the program. If you're looking to start a webinar, head to the relevant webinar date and select Join Session. If you're looking to mark attendance for a session, you can use the drop-down box and select Mark Attendance. Once a webinar is over, the Join session will no longer be available and will be replaced by the Mark Attendance button. To mark attendance, open the pop-up and select which participants were in the session. You can mark them as attended or absent. If you need to refer to this later, you've got tabs along the top to see who is attended and absent. You can also export this as a class list.